Young Tune Saturday, 5 a.m.
Okay, this is 6 a.m.
6 a.m.
Nu fryser jeg. Fuck it.
And Mads is freezing.
So I'm taking my shirt on so I can be ready to do some more skating and be ready to the X Games tomorrow. So I can fucking kickflip Paul Rodriguez's hoved and beat Ryan Sheckler and skate. You know what I'm saying? And my hair is a little messed up, but it's alright. And check this one. Nick, film me. Film me, motherfucker. He's skating! Oh my god! Nice Mario! Oh my god! Oh my god!